Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ashley, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and a review of my brand new air purification system that I picked up from Aerus. So this is the Aerus Pure and Clean, and I got this for multiple reasons, but obviously because of everything that's going on in the world right now. So I kind of think we got really lucky with COVID, and we got a heads up that it was coming, but it really dawned on me that, you know, protecting our household and protecting our office is always of the utmost importance, and sometimes we don't even know what's in the air. So I wanted to make sure that I was protecting my home and my office no matter what was going to be coming down the road maybe after this. So I decided to go with the Aerus Pure and Clean because this is a NASA technology certified air purification system. They use these in schools, they use these in hospitals. This is top of the line when it comes to air purification. Not only does it kill all the contaminants in the air, it also kills all the contaminants on the surfaces. So let's get started, let's unbox this. I can't wait to show you my new system. Okay, so let's unbox the new system. So first it comes with these great stickers that if you are using this device for your office, this is going to give your clients peace of mind when coming into your office that it is clean and sanitized. So it does say that the premises is cleaned by NASA technology, and these can go right on your store windows and or the floor. And then you've got your two connective cords. Da-na-na-na, the system. So one thing I really loved about this system and why I chose it is because of the size. Often to get this type of cleaning technology, you would have to get a unit that is much, much larger. But this is going to easily fit inside of our office, and then I'll also get one for my home. Okay, so to set up the system, you're simply going to take the cord and then this piece goes into the back of the device here, and then we're simply going to plug it in. So this last cord is meant for if you are traveling to Europe. It's got an adapter, so you could take your air purifier with you. To turn the system on, you're just going to click power, and then you can turn up the fan. And see, it's that quiet. The Aerus Purifier is the only air purification technology that has been awarded the Space Technology Seal of Approval by NASA, which means this is the top of the line air purification system. It does have a charcoal filter and a HEPA filter, but what it's actually also doing is it's releasing negative ions into your space. How it works is this machine is actually releasing negative ions into the space. So what it is doing is it's grabbing all the air and water molecules around your space, pulling it into the system, and turning them into oxidized, supercharged molecules that are going to go back out into your space and work like a little army. So they're going to like go and land on everything and get in the air and basically sanitize your surfaces. So this machine does kill RNA and DNA viruses, which is super impressive. I haven't seen that on any other labels for air purifiers, and it kills 99.999% of all contaminants in your air and on your surfaces. The system is also really going to help with any odor you may have in your home or your office, as well as it's going to provide you a really nice night's sleep, and it will help with allergies. Anytime our air is clean in our home or our office, we're going to sleep and live better. It wasn't until this year that I really realized that maybe I wasn't protecting my home and office as well as I should. You know, we all wash our hands, we all sanitize surfaces, but I think this year gave a lot of us a really good scare. We've taken our health to a new level. And I think that one thing we often forget about is all the air we're breathing in. And especially nowadays with wearing masks all over our faces, the quality of our air is going to become very important. Another great reason to use an air purifier right now is it is summertime and there is wildfires going on everywhere. And even though some of these wildfires are way up north and we're here in British Columbia and Vancouver, we do still get a lot of the smog into our city. And you can see this because when you look outside, the air is actually covered with what looks like clouds, but it's not. That's actually the smoke coming down. So I think right now, more than anything, health is our #1 priority here at the office, but as well everywhere in my life right now. So I want to be using the best technology to make sure I protect myself against the things I maybe don't even see. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing and my first look at my brand new Aerus Pure and Clean filtration system. I'm really excited to have this in the office. It's going to be a game changer for my health as well as the agent's health. And if you guys want to see more videos like this about me unboxing health tools or fun tech I find for health, hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you want to see something else, leave me a comment about that. Have a great day. Bye.